Hey guys, Dr. Noah in my weekly Saturday morning Facebook and Instagram live chat that I send to you guys via email and YouTube as well. So in a few short days, you guys will get this on Monday, on Wednesday night in the office at 6:15, Wednesday the 9th at 6:15. Dr. Mike and I are continuing our presentation series, and this one is much more like a workshop. You've heard us maybe talk about the concept of your wellness cabinet. Well, this is the exact opposite of your medicine cabinet. We want to give you the tools, the ideas, the thoughts, and the products to fill your wellness cabinet to keep you and your family strong, healthy, and well. And this includes potent antivirals in a 1-2 combination that I'm really excited to talk about. Sleep aids, and I've just uncovered for myself, not something new, that has really improved my sleep quality that I want to share and that Dr. Mike wants to share. Antioxidants, we talked about antivirals, antioxidants, anti-inflammatories, sleep aids. We're going to talk about all the ins and outs and the different types of vitamin D3 that you should have in the house. Products from the HIVE, you know that I'm an expert at that, and that just about everything that comes from a HIVE should be in your wellness cabinet as well, and much, much more. So save the calendar, RSVP, respond to this email, call the office, and we'll see you Wednesday night at 6:15 for a really empowering hour. And as always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye.